Naman nag-check ti danumanan na nakita na takol nga pipe.
Artificial or man-made? Can you give me the opposite of
katiktok.
that? If something is
Parak jay
artificial,
pantay.
what is the opposite of that?
Oh,
Usually like we say like no artificial colors or flavors and things
rigat ti
is...
ko dito ti example ti kwarta ta
Any idea?
oray malaman pinag-aami din ke no arkin ket ko.
And yes, I'm looking for
Kailangan nga mapanka.
Okay. Okay, let's do another one. Here is
Tatay kadwag ke tanga imay ta napan nagbabae. Babaero kami dajay ba?
opposite of common.
So nga nasango natin napan nagbabae kan nasango tin may tuyo.
Well done. And
Adok
another
babae na kami
one
diay.
is rough. What's the
Oh,
opposite?
paana ya bantay. Bantay natin adok baboy ramot toy, nagadok baboy ramaw.
That is correct. Well done, Sarah.
Oh.
Doing awesome. We got round 2, which is find the fake. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 3 statements. You tell me which one is fake. Okay, this one.
Raprod di dalan,
Lions
raprod.
roar, ducks bark, and cows moo.
Nay, damot ti kwa dito iti tao.
Ducks bark.
Kuwan na nga dato galalat pa ko dato ito ano pa ko toy. Nay,
Usually we say ducks go. Quack, quack, quack. That's right. Okay.
nagpaso dato magalalap pa ko dato ya.
Is birds build nests, beavers build dams, and
Nay,
bees build
no may
webs.
dagtak takaw.
Which one is fake?
Nagadupay ti pato dito nga balang.
Done. Okay. And the next one here is fish
Wild duck.
swim, snakes walk, and birds fly. That is correct. Well done. Okay, easy peasy.
May nagalap pa ko
We got
siguro
one
dato.
here, which is reverse it. So I'm gonna give you a word.
Nay, may da
back.
nagibol lang dito ta isbak nay.
Tell me what the word is. If you have a pen and paper,
Okay
this
na,
might
dito
help
yan.
you, or maybe like a phone that you can type in the word, the letters in.
Dato ti may nagibol lang ta isbak ka.
Time to get that, or are you good?
Plate number na nay.
I'm good. You're good. All right, great. Let's do the first one here, which is
May nagibol lang ta isbak dito.
R-A-O-R.
Basura da.
R-A-O-R. Roar is correct. Well
Nalokat
done.
dati na.
Second one is N-R-U.
Tuyak na, paano yung pabantay na nakalukat dati yan ay.
U-T. Turn is
Pabantay yan ay, naggato ko na ito bantay na
Finally, the third one I'm
gasam
gonna
dato
give
iti
you is
kwak. Trabaho yung may nariga mo basay.
Y-T-R-A-P.
Oh,
Y-T-R-A-P. Say again.
ngato.
Y-T-R-A-P. Not quite. Nearly there, nearly there. I think you're missing out the T.
Supply gayam ti tanong ti kami to iti trabaho mi.
R-A.
Supply ti intiro nga bandar area. Ngato.
Yes, awesome. Well done.
Man dato yung may sama nagtaho dato yung pinyakuhan ng kuhan ng ito.
Thank you so much for calling and being a Crystal Kid and actually trying out Medium today. Okay, I think you did amazing, and I hope you
Nay,
guys had
nakalukat
an
na.
amazing time tonight having noodles. Zara, do you want to say hi to anybody before I let you
Lukat
go?
mo na
Hi to my friends and my
yung kuhan na nga tatoy. Bangladesh lagi ito.
Okay, Zara, thank you so much. Someone will
Tayo
contact
takki
you
kay
back
tangki nga nagtakay.
with your Crystal gift bag, okay?
Dadat dito Bangladesh ni nga maturog dato yun ay. Pag sulusweldo da nga
Crystal
apo nakita daklaan nga apo ti takdardan nay. Ay apaw.
for Crystal
Awan lagi daw.
Kids.